You take a chocolate bar. Any bar will do.
Oh.
Do you mind if I,
No, that's good.
crumble up the chocolate into little pieces? Then you kind of stir it into the ice cream. See?
Yes, I see. What do you call this again?
Landslide. It's new. Very new.
Landslide.
Ooh, I can make that. Wait, what's that sound? I better go investigate. Oh, what's this? You want me to make the milkshakes? Oh, lead the way. Start by combining 2 scoops of old-fashioned vanilla bean ice cream with some malted milk powder and a splash or 2 of whole milk. Then, for an authentic 1950s style shake, use a milkshake mixer to blend the ice cream and malt powder together to give the perfect milkshake consistency. Finally, we'll top off the milkshake with a generous swirl of whipped cream and, of course, a cherry on top. Now, in order to elude federal agent Agent Mansley, we can top it off with some chocolate. Any chocolate. It doesn't matter what kind. Or if it has laxatives in it. Give the milkshake a quick swirl before serving it up to mortal enemies. It's thick and malty, and if you use the right chocolate, it will make going to the bathroom that much easier. What fictional feast should I make next? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to flip that sub button and ring the dinner bell so you can be notified of my latest recipes and foodie adventures that I post every week. Do you ever get hungry? You can find this recipe and many others with ingredient amounts and step-by-step instructions over on thestarvingchefblog.com. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next episode.